Hi guys, Dahl here, coming to you from my den, which I love, but I can't stand these cords hanging off the wall and all over the floor. So today's project is figuring out a solution. I did a bunch of research online and D-line is the brand I ended up going with. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, these are gonna work. We'll end up using the black and white, but there's some sweet colors. So I cut my covers, better known as mini raceways, and they're ready to adhere to the wall. Let's do this. I'm excited. I think it looks amazing and clean, but I know that this still exists. Come here. This is what we're tackling next. Behold, the cable tidy unit. Let's do this. Amazed.